Number 1. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,998. It has been driven 180,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in red with a matching red interior, the truck offers a classic look that stands out while maintaining its original character. It is equipped with power windows and power door locks, providing added convenience for everyday driving. The vehicle also features a quality paint job that enhances its appearance and overall curb appeal. Recent work includes new ball joints, rotors, front and rear brakes, calipers, clutch, master cylinder, slave cylinder, tires, a C condenser, a C compressor, radiator, fuel tank, fuel filter, and fuel pump. In addition, the engine was removed and thoroughly gone through, receiving all new seals and a complete valve job. With substantial mechanical work already completed and many key items recently replaced, this GMC Sierra 1500 represents a well-cared-for classic pickup that is ready to be driven and enjoyed. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,350, shows 213,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in red with a matching red interior, this gasoline-powered vehicle combines vintage style with dependable performance. It is powered by a 7.4-liter engine, with a replacement engine that had approximately 160,000 miles when installed, and is paired with a 4.10 gear ratio that provides excellent pulling power. The truck also features power windows, power door locks, a radio, comfortable cloth seats, and fully functional heating and air conditioning systems that provide both hot and cold air. The vehicle has been well maintained and recently received a new suspension, contributing to a smoother and more comfortable ride. Its interior remains in immaculate condition, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,990, is a beautifully preserved example of the iconic GMT 400 generation, showing 119,000 miles and powered by the legendary 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and dependable 2WD drivetrain. Finished in its original gold exterior with a clean tan interior, the truck retains its original paint, interior, and carpeting, showcasing its authenticity and well-maintained condition. The interior remains exceptionally clean, featuring a well-preserved dashboard and an overall appearance that reflects careful ownership throughout its life. While maintaining its classic character, the truck benefits from several tasteful updates, including a Bluetooth radio, a new battery, new wheels and tires, and newly installed grille, headlights, and taillights. It is also equipped with cold air conditioning supported by a newer compressor and comes with a matching camper shell for added practicality. Number 4. 1998 Ford Ranger, price $4,999, with 124,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine and paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers a practical and enjoyable driving experience. The truck features a striking red exterior that gives it a classic appearance, while the interior has been kept clean and is in good condition for its age. It is equipped with a solid set of tires that are ready for everyday driving, commuting, or light-duty work. The current registration tags are valid through 2027, providing added peace of mind for the next owner. The vehicle has a clean title and has been carefully maintained. Number 5. 1991 Toyota pickup, price $4,995, offers the perfect combination of rugged durability and timeless style. Powered by a reliable gasoline engine and paired with a manual transmission, this classic truck has been driven 202,000 miles and continues to showcase the legendary dependability Toyota pickups are known for. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, it delivers both practicality and visual appeal. Equipped with air conditioning for added comfort, this truck is built to handle a variety of tasks with confidence. Its spacious cargo bed and impressive towing capability make it an excellent choice for hauling equipment, transporting materials, or tackling challenging terrain. Well known for its strength and longevity, this Toyota pickup remains a dependable and versatile vehicle for both work and everyday use. Number 6. 2003 Ford Ranger, price $7,500, powered by a reliable 4.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. It has 179,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior with a black interior. Running on gasoline, the truck starts right up every time with no issues and runs and drives exceptionally well. Despite its mileage, it feels like it has half the miles thanks to its smooth performance. There are no shakes, vibrations, unusual noises, or alignment problems, making it a dependable vehicle that is ready to drive anywhere. Mechanically, it needs absolutely nothing and is in excellent condition. Cosmetically, both the interior and exterior have been well maintained and remain in great shape for their age. While it is over 20 years old and not perfect, it presents very well overall. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand and is ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,800, powered by the reliable 5.7L Vortec engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 225,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to run and drive great. The truck features a red exterior complemented by a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The air conditioning blows cold, and the heater works properly, providing comfort in all seasons. It has been upgraded with a rough country lift kit and sits on impressive 24-inch Corleone Capone forged aluminum wheels, giving it a bold and distinctive appearance. Recent maintenance includes a tune-up and exhaust work, helping to keep the truck performing well. Additional upgrades include paint-matched tow mirrors and new window tint. Number 8. 1991 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,000, with the factory 454 big block V8 engine and an automatic transmission. With approximately 208,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered truck features a classic red exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a timeless and rugged appearance. The truck is also equipped with fully functioning climate control, providing cold air conditioning for hot days and strong heat for colder weather, ensuring a comfortable driving experience year-round. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives well, although the owner has noted a lifter tapping noise from the engine. As part of the troubleshooting process, the valve cover was recently removed and all rocker arms and pushrods were carefully inspected, with no issues found. In an effort to address the noise before pursuing more extensive repairs, fresh oil and an engine cleaning additive were added to help free up a potentially sticking lifter. Number 9. 1959 Ford F100, price $4,500, powered by a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission and has approximately 10,000 miles on the drivetrain. Finished in green, the truck retains its classic vintage character and has undergone extensive mechanical work over the past few years. Recent upgrades include new tires, brake hard and soft lines, a new fuel tank and fuel line, new brake and clutch hydraulic components, fully serviced brakes with new shoes and wheel cylinders, new shocks, muffler, clutch and pressure plate, rod and main bearings, oil pump, fuel pump, starter, generator, voltage regulator, remanufactured carburetor, water pump, belts, hoses, and a complete tune-up. The truck also comes with new side glass, replacement sheet metal for rust repairs, cab corners, a rust-free fender, and additional repair sections for the other fender. Number 10. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900, is a well-maintained classic pickup with 203,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Finished in a black exterior with a tan leather interior, it is powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine that delivers strong performance. The truck features fully functional 4x4 capability, making it suitable for a variety of driving conditions. The vehicle is equipped with cold air conditioning, a clean and well-kept interior, and convenient amenities including power windows, power locks, power seats, and leather upholstery. It has been kept free of rust, contributing to its solid overall condition. Combining classic truck styling with dependable capability and comfort features, this Chevrolet 1500 presents itself as a nice example of a classic full-size pickup.